The story of the Micro R press really started in 2018 when Ekk Lory bought one of our mini etching presses. And then we started talking about miniaturizing presses for teaching, particularly for kids. And then I sent him the specs for the WeeWoodie Rembrandt Press, which he cut out on his laser engraver. And then he redesigned that press for a Micro R press that he could cut out on his laser engraver. And then he sent me the parts that I could put together. And that's how it all started. And it's going on as I make this recording. It's continuing.